Here's an issue that I have with the Galaxy A26. I don't know if it's just my phone or it's the A26 in particular, but whether you're in standard video or you're in the pro video recording levels, there's no audio levels on here at all. So if you have an external microphone, you need to check your levels to make sure it's not clipping. There's no option to even tell what your levels are. Every other Samsung phone I have will give you levels with it. As you can see on the upper left here, just talking, you can see it going up and down, showing the audio levels, so you can tell if it's peaking. So that allows you to adjust your mic and make sure you get good audio, whereas with the A26, there's no option for that. I have had quite a few other Galaxy phones. I have no issue with those at all. Everything I've got from a A54 shows audio levels like that. I'm not sure if it's just a problem with the A26 or it's just a limitation they've set on it. But if you plan on doing audio recordings with it, get any external microphones, you're going to have issues with this. It'll still record from the microphone. So I know if I take a video, I'm getting audio from this microphone. It actually works. But it's giving me no levels, so there's no way to make sure you're getting the proper audio, whether it's going to clip or going to be too quiet. So if anybody could chime in on if it's just me having that issue with the A26 and it doesn't show levels at all, it also doesn't show a histogram on it, so you can't check your video levels. Let me know if you have the same issue with it, but there's no reason to have a pro video option on a phone like this and not give you levels. It's really not pro if that's the option. It doesn't give you levels whether it's in standard recording or pro recording with it. So how about helping me out here and chime in whether it's just a limitation to the phone that's been set or there's a problem with this. Thanks for watching.